Good morning, little learners. Namaskar, parents. How are you, all of you kids? Hope all of you fine, fit, and healthy in your home. I am Samir Jalani. I welcome you all in our English explanation classes. So, children, I am from Nivera School. Everyone, join your hands, close your eyes. Now we speak Shlok. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varde Kamarupani. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है मैं अपनी विद्या ग्रहण करने का आरंभ करता हूँ, मेरे इस प्रभास को सिद्ध करो। ओके एवरीवन, have your palms. Touch your eyes and rub your entire face. Okay, children. So, children, all of you ready? Yes. Now, children, tell me what we did in our previous classes. We started our E-sound words cluster. Yes or no? Which cluster we did? We did and sound words and ag sound words. Yes or no? Yes. Now we do this cluster. First of all, tell me what is this, children? What's the sound of this letter? E. And this one, what's the sound of this letter? T. T. Okay. E says A. T says T. When we combine together these two letters, which sound we get here? At. Okay, so children, today we do at sound words. Okay, today we do at sound words. Okay, here at sound word rhyme is there. Yes or no? Here at sound word rhyme is there. First of all, we repeat it. Okay, pet, pet, pet. This is my pet. Pet, pet, pet. This is my pet. My pet in a net. My pet in a net. My pet with a jet. My pet with a jet. It gets wet. It gets wet. Pet, pet, pet. I love my pet. Pet, pet, pet. I love my pet. So children, this is our at sound words rhyme. All of you understood, children?
Now children, I show you sight words flashcard. Okay, sight word are those words that then we make sentences. Okay, on that time they useful for us. Okay, I am on up no my he is we me go at or okay children, these are some sight words. Do you understood, children? Yes. Children, first of all we revise what we did in our previous class. What we did in our previous class, children? We did egg sound words. Yes or no? Yes. And I am tell here the egg sound words flashcard. Okay, everyone? Repeat with me. K egg keg. K egg keg. K egg keg. P egg peg. P egg peg. P egg peg. B egg bag. B egg bag. B egg bag. Okay. And our next one is L egg leg. L egg leg. L egg leg. These egg sound words we studied in our before classes. Yes or no? Yes. Now children, tell me what's the name of this letter? E. E. And E sounds A. E sounds A. And tell me what's the name of this letter? T. T says T. T says T. When we combine these two letters, which sound word we get here? We get at. Okay, we get here at sound word. Yes or no? Yes. And children, now I tell you at sound word flashcards. Okay, the first one is pet. Pet. Okay, do you know what is pet? Animals which can we keep at our home, that is called pet. Okay, जो हमारे साथ हमारे घर में रहते हैं वो एनिमल्स को हम क्या बोलेंगे? पेट बोलेंगे. Yes or no? Do you have any pet children? आपके पास कोई भी आपका पेट है? जैसे कि कैट, डॉग. Yes or no? Yes. This boy is having his pet. Yes or no? And who is he? He is a dog. Yes or no? Yes. And our next one is net. Net. At net. At net. At net. This is net. Okay, देखो. What is this? Net. ये basketball का net है. Okay. And this one is volleyball का net. Okay. There are various type of nets. जैसे कि fish nets होते हैं. Yes or no? Fish net, basketball net, and this one is volleyball net. Okay. All of you understood about net? Yes. Next one is jet. 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 This is a one type of aeroplane. Okay, this is one type of aeroplane. There are various type of jets. जैसे कि कोई बहुत लोगों के क्या होते हैं, प्राइवेट जेट होते हैं. यस और नो? प्राइवेट जेट. और बहुत सारे लड़ाकू विमान बोलते हैं ना, वो भी होते हैं. देयर इज अ war between two countries. On that time the jets are useful. Okay, this is called jet. Okay children, all of you understood about jet? Jet. 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 Okay. And this is wet. 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 Yes or no? This is wet. Wet का मीनिंग क्या होता है बच्चों? जैसे कि भीग जाना. Yes or no? देखो, the boy is wet. वो कहाँ पे भीग गया? बारिश में भीग गया ना. Yes or no? देखो पूरा भीग गया, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? भीगना. Wet. Okay? This is called wet. All of you understood children? Now once again we revise the add sound words. The first one is pet. 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 And our second one, net. 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 And jet. 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 Jet.
wet, 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 wet. These all words are at sound words. All of you understood, children? All of you understood about at sound words? Okay? Children, I show you here one activity. Okay? At sound word activity. All of you ready for that? Yes? Yes. This is at word. Okay? Here I want to make one word. Which one? Pet. Okay? Here is P is there. Okay? Here P is there. So I keep here P. Okay? What is this? Pet. 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 The dog is a nice pet. The dog is a nice pet. Again I want to make here met. Okay, here I keep m. Okay, what is this? This is met. They hugged when they met. And I want to make get. Here I keep G. Okay, this is G. Get. This is get. It's time to get dressed. Okay, and again I want to make bat. Where is B here? Yes, here. So I keep here B. Okay. What is this? Bet. This is bat. Okay. They made a bet. Okay. And again I want to make let. Here I keep L. Okay. And this is let. Okay. He let go of the balloon. Okay. And again I want to make net. Here I keep N. Net. The ball went in the net. Yes or no? The ball went in the net. And again I want to make wet. Here I keep W. Okay. Wet. She is wet. And again I want to make jet. Here I keep J. Yes or no? अब ये क्या बन गया? jet. Okay, that is a cool jet. Okay, children, all of you understood at sound words? Okay, hope all of you like this activity. Okay, children, take care. Bye everyone. Keep smiling, keep shining. Take care.